Now I am going to discuss that what will be the velocity of a projectile motion along the x-axis and along the y-axis. Remember one thing, that the y-axis, this is your vertical axis, and your x-axis, this is your horizontal axis. As I have told you that your horizontal component will remain same. So if my horizontal component will remain same, then my final velocity f of x should be equal to vi x. Means that my final velocity and initial velocity will remain same, as in the projectile motion your horizontal component always remain same, and according to the trigonometric ratios your vix will become vi cos theta. But what will be your vertical component of the velocity for a projectile motion? So for that I have a first equation of motion. I have first equation of motion, which is Vf is equal to Vi plus At. Before going to discuss about what will be the vertical velocity or the what will be the y-axis velocity of a projectile motion, let me tell you something else, that if according to your topic, if it, which is written in your topic, that it has been taken as a conventional, that if a projectile motion or if a projectile move upward, it will consider as positive, and if a projectile moves downward, it will be considered as negative. So here the equation will become Vfy is equal to Vix plus At. Now what is your acceleration? Now if a projectile is moving in this type of a direction, your horizontal component will same. If there is no change in velocity, then there will be no existence of an acceleration. So according to your topic, acceleration along x-axis will become what? A of x is equal to 0, because your v of x is equal to vi x. Now acceleration along y-axis. The acceleration along y-axis will become ay is equal to minus gy, because now let me tell you, this is a projectile motion. Here it is your vertical component. As the projectile moves upward, it moves under the action of gravity. Here I will draw these components for you, so you will get more, you will understand more. This will become just like this. These are the vertical and horizontal components of your projectile. So if a projectile moves upward, it will be considered as plus or positive. If a projectile moves downward, it will be considered as negative, or you can say as a whole ay is equal to minus g. So your this equation will become that Vfy is equal to Vix minus gt. Now, sorry, this will become Viy, and according to the trigonometric ratios, the theta that is used along y-axis, that is Vfy is equal to Vi sin theta minus gt. This is the required equations or relation for finding the velocity of a projectile, which is V of Fy is equal to Vi sin theta minus gt, and Vf of x is equal to Vix, that is equal to Vi cos theta. Now if you want to find the as a whole magnitude of a velocity of a projectile, then this will become just like this. V is equal to under the root, according to the Pythagoras theorem, that V will become Vf of x whole square and plus the f of y whole square. It means that the component of the velocity along the x-axis and the component of the velocity along the y-axis. If we take this is the relation for finding your projectile motion velocity. For finding the angle, if you want to calculate the angle of a projectile, for that we use tangent theta, that is equal to Vfy divided by V of f of x. So these are the relations that from both these equations this equation can be used to find the position or the angle of the projectile, and this is the magnitude of the velocity of a projectile. Meanwhile, from this equation here you can also find the time and the range and the height of the projectile. It should be discussed by me inshallah in the next lectures. Thank you very much.